Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Voice Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 42. We are going to perform a very important and interesting activity, that is comprehension. What is comprehension? Comprehension comes from comprehend. Comprehend means to understand something thoroughly, किसी चीज़ को मुकम्मल तौर पर समझ लेना. Comprehension is a noun, a verb, comprehend. What is there in the activity comprehension? In comprehension, a paragraph is given. The students are supposed to read it carefully and understand the main points being discussed in the paragraph. आपसे तवक्को की जाती है कि आप उस पैराग्राफ को बड़े गौर से पढ़ें और उसको अच्छी तरह से समझें. Then a few questions are given at the end of the paragraph. These questions are taken from the same paragraph and the students are supposed to find their answers from the paragraph and write in their own words. Apparently, this seems to be a very easy activity. The questions are taken from the same paragraph and the answers are also there in the paragraph. But it is not that easy as it looks. What is the purpose of comprehension? The purpose of comprehension is to evaluate the students whether they are able enough to understand the paragraph in English and answer the questions from the paragraph. It also means to prepare the students for English language. Now we move towards the real activity of comprehension. Here comes the paragraph. We start. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. It comes after winter and before summer. The first day of spring is in March. Days begin to get longer and nights begin to get shorter. The weather starts to get warmer. Rain showers come which help new plants to grow. In this season, flowers and plants get a new, healthy, fresh look. Many baby animals are born in spring. There are a lot of flowers and greenery everywhere. The examinations also start in spring. After the examinations, students get spring holidays, so the students enjoy and relax in the spring season. They also visit their friends and relatives. Spring season brings a lot of happiness and entertainment. I hope you might have got some idea. If there is a question of comprehension in your paper, you must read this paragraph twice or even thrice so that you may be able to understand the whole paragraph completely. Until or unless you are able to understand it, you cannot answer the questions that are set from this paragraph. Now we move towards the questions. Questions. Number 1. How many seasons are there in a year? Dear students, it is rather a very easy question. There are 4 seasons in a year. Question number 2. What season comes after winter and before summer? I hope it is also not a very difficult answer. Spring season comes after winter and before summer. Spring season comes after winter and before summer. Question number 3. What happens to days and nights in spring? Think it deeply and try to find the answer. What happens to days and nights in spring? For that matter, we'll once again consult the paragraph to find the true answer. Here is the answer of that question. Days begin to get longer and nights begin to get shorter. We'll write, in spring, days begin to get longer and nights begin to get shorter. In spring, you can write at the end of the sentence as well, and you can write here as I wrote here. In spring, days begin to get longer and nights begin to get shorter. Question number 4. What is the main characteristic of spring? What is the main characteristic of spring? Trait. What is the main trait of spring? इसकी क्या खुसूसियत है? Can you give the answer? Once again, we move towards the paragraph to find the true answer. Here is the answer of that question. Rain showers come which help new plants to grow. In this season, flowers and plants get a new, healthy, fresh look. Many baby animals are born in spring. There are a lot of flowers and greenery everywhere. Dear students, there is no need to write from here to here. We are to give the main characteristic. So we'll write in our own words. The question is, what is the main characteristic of spring? We try to mold the answer in our own words. That is like, in this season, flowers and plants get a new, healthy, fresh look. There are a lot of flowers and greenery everywhere. This is the answer. You know, I made it in my own words. I shortened the answer. In this season, flowers and plants get a new, healthy, fresh look. There are a lot of flowers and greenery everywhere. Now move towards the next question. Question number 5. What important activity do the students go through in spring? Very important question. What important activity do the students go through in spring? Once again, we'll go towards the main paragraph to find the true answer. Here comes the answer. The examinations also start in spring. After the examinations, students get spring holidays, so the students enjoy and relax in the spring season. They also visit their friends and relatives. Spring season brings a lot of happiness and entertainment. I once again advise you, no need to write the whole paragraph. We'll mold the answer in our own words and we'll stick to the point. Need not give the complete answer that from here to here. Question was, what important activity do the students go through in spring? That is, the students go through the examinations in spring. That is the main activity as far as the students are concerned. We can add, they enjoy and relax in the spring season. Once again I read, the students go through the examinations in spring. They enjoy and relax in spring season. Now question number 6. That is normally a necessary question in the activity of comprehension. Suggest a suitable title of the passage. That is spring season. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I would advise you to watch and listen this video lecture once again for better comprehension and understanding. You will write all the questions and answers along with the paragraph in your notebooks. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.